The role of the confidential advisor is becoming increasingly recognized. But what exactly does a confidential advisor do? They're there for anyone dealing with unwanted behavior or suspected integrity breaches. The Dutch National Association of Confidential Advisors, LVV, believes every employee should have access to one. They offer advice and guidance on what to do if you're facing unwanted behavior or need help dealing with integrity issues. When it comes to unwanted behavior, you decide when someone has crossed the line. Only you know what feels wrong or hurtful. If you ever find yourself in a situation like this, you can always reach out to a confidential advisor. Together, you'll talk about what's happening and explore ways to stop the behavior. You're in control. You decide what steps to take. The confidential advisor is there to support and guide you, but they won't solve the issue for you. You're in charge of what happens next. Integrity violations are different. These involve issues that could harm the organization or the public interest. A confidential advisor can also support and guide you in these cases. If you suspect an integrity breach, you might want to report it to a whistleblowing office. You can do this yourself, but if you'd rather stay anonymous, a confidential advisor can report it for you. They'll explain the process and what it means for you. Confidential advisors also help raise awareness. They give presentations and make sure employees know what support is available. They also offer advice, both when asked and proactively, for example, by identifying and addressing recurring issues. As the name suggests, conversations with a confidential advisor are completely confidential. They'll listen to your story and help you figure out how to stop the unwanted behavior or what steps to take if there's an integrity breach. You decide what works best for you. The confidential advisor is there for support and guidance every step of the way. And even if you just need someone to listen, you can always turn to them. The confidential advisor is there for you, so don't hesitate to reach out. Everyone deserves a safe and ethical workplace.